We're doing some testing, and so every time you always want to do a visual inspection while you're doing your surface sampling and your air testing. What we see here in the bathroom is this is not an adequate enough sized bath fan. It's probably might be too old. It's probably original at home, but it's allowed microbial growth to come in, even though they have a semi-gloss finish, which is probably the best thing to have because it cleans up easier. It's still growing just due to the dust and household debris.